Okay, let's start this. Oh, I guess to restart this. SPRO. Materials management. Settings for material management. Material lock. No, we don't want this. We want numbering arrange for the material. So what we'll do, purchasing, material master, and manufacturer parts. I believe we'll have all of them. Logistics, general, material master, configuring, number range. Okay, we need to see the number range based setting. Maintain company codes. Okay, number ranges for each material type. Okay, but first let's maintain company codes. And this is important. BBPG. Okay, 2024, and period will be 11. 11 allow backposting, disallow backposting. Now, backposting basically, what is this? Basically, when you are entering inventory related transactions and posting, for example, invoice is received in November and goods were received in October, then of course you need backposting in that very month to reconcile, to update the records in that. So that's why, and usually it is not allowed, but sometimes it does allow in the previous period only 1 month, not beyond that, not more than that. Define number range for each material type in groups. Okay. ROH, raw. I don't think so we have ROH, raw material group. And R1. Okay. Maybe what we can do is we create our own material groups, material types, and define attributes. We'll create our own material types. Okay. ROH. Types. Okay, it's there. But let me first see if we can update the quantity and quality, value and quantity update. ROH. Okay, now this actually requires valuation area. Valuation area is your font. Enter. Valuation area is BVPG. Okay, BVPG, quantity updating, value updating. This is also important. This has to be maintained as well. And okay, ROH, value and quantity. So whenever you pass any document, it will, for this material type, it will capture the quantity and value, quantity and value. So what are the cases where we cannot update quantity? It's for material groups like samples or free samples that you give away at exhibition. Those can be those will actually come without quantity or value because those are free samples for clients. That is again will be free and its value will not be judged in some cases. Okay, like free giveaways or complimentary items. That material group will be made as well, and that's what I'm trying to find over here, but I guess it's not here, but we'll have to actually go through a long list and doing that right now. Okay, material types for the valuation area is done. Define number ranges for each material type and change groups. ROH, 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 ROH. Let's see. ROHV. Where is simple ROH? Can't find any ROH. 4 ROH, ROHC, ROH3, ROH1, 2, 3. Okay. Non-assigned elements. Okay, let me just find from this list. ROHC, assign element to group. I actually keep my cursor on ROHC and I will attach the range, number range. Zero, 1. Okay, MOH. Material master number ranges. Okay, we have number 1. Okay, 15 and 1599. This seems good number range. So we'll assign to this, change groups, and I'll find ROHC, ROHC, ROHC is here, and assign element to group. Number 1, double click. Okay, and save. Changes have been saved. Now, one more step before we actually go to the next step, and that is define material types. Because we couldn't find ROH for some reason, now we'll change ROHC as well. ROHC, ROHC CPL. Okay, position, enter, and valuation area is BBPG. Save. Now this will be our main material type for raw materials. Okay, only for raw materials. We can and we should change the settings for the semi-finished goods as well, but right now we'll just do it with the raw materials. Basic settings have been done. Next is next is very important, and that is material ledger. Okay. Financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, Parallel valuation approaches. And why do we need parallel valuation? That is important to understand. Maintain currency and valuation profile. Maintain currency and valuation profile and BBPG. BBPG. Okay. Save. Now in details, it will actually show you that using company code currency. Now, why do we need currency valuation? Because if your material is being produced in one country and exported to another and re-exported to third place and then sold in fourth country, it has to evaluate the material price tag or the value of that stock for your auditing, for your taxation, for your year-end reporting. Okay. That is why we need assign currency and valuation profile to controlling area. I don't know whether we have created a controlling area or not. BBPG. Oh, we have not created. Okay, let's then proceed to create a controlling area as well. Okay, now these are some important settings. Material master, material management consultant has to learn.
What is controlling area?
I'll tell you. Controlling area is the costing side of an enterprise. Okay, it basically takes care of product costing, profit center accounting, cost center accounting. Maintain controlling area. Maintain new entries. Okay, I'll click this button. BVPG. Continue. Okay, it automatically picks up all the details. We'll change this to 30. And USD currency valuation profile is BVPG. Save. Cross company quote cost accounting. Save. What do you mean? Controlling area does not exist. Controlling, check your entry, you can check possible controlling area. What is this? BBPG? That's blue box packaging, yeah. Company code, BBPG.
आई थिंक इसमें मदर कंपनी तो नहीं आएगी.
No, chart of accounts is BBPG, fiscal year variant is BBPG. Okay, let's try OKKP. OKKP. New entries, controlling area. BBPG, blue box packaging, 30 USD, cross company code, save, standard hierarchy BBPG, INT, save. Okay, company code currency and USD does not match currency type 30. Okay, so we have to change the currency type as well. So everything is connected, if you can see. We'll have to change the currency type as well, SPRO. Financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, ledger settings. Multiple companies are assigned to automatically, for example, saving will add this into a transport request. Make sure this is the right request for these company codes. Come on, I want to add. Okay, leading ledger is 0L. No, this is the only leading ledger that gets all the transactions for every module, whether it's finance, material management, or sales distribution, production, costing, controlling, warehouse. All transactions fall in this ledger. Okay, company code settings. Okay, position. BBPG. BBPG. Okay, global currency is missing and freely defined currency is also missing. So we go for, we'll click, double click company code BBPG. Fiscal variant is there and accounting principle is GAAP. Functional currency is 10. Parallel accounting. Save it. Okay, it does not exist. Maybe there is another entry. There are no entries at this moment, I guess. Okay, let's keep it empty for now. I just want to save it. Okay, now this is done. Next part is very important part, that is currency types. This is also a good major understanding, an extra understanding for material management consultants. Currency conversion settings. Okay, over here we'll add new entries. BVPG, currency type 30, currency will be USD, source currency will be 00, source currency is document that will be capturing, and exchange rate type will be M, average. Now I'll explain what this is all about. Translation date will be posting date, enter. Okay, now we want to report our balance sheet, profit loss, materials in company code currency, which is dirham, but group currency will be different. It will only report in INR. How is that possible? Because currency types, let me just check that. Okay, 30 group currency, company code specific, group currency, and currency conversion. Enter. I wanted USD, but I'll have to escape it and redo it. Okay. For some reason, I need a USD reporting right now. Exit editing. Okay. Define settings for ledgers and currency types. Again, currency conversion settings. Before I actually got into this global currency conversion, okay, over here we have global currency and 20 new entries, 30 currency USD, 00 exchange rate type, M translation date will be posting date, save, in global currency conversion settings. Okay, it cannot be used. Let me try another way. Uh, del- Let me new entries B1. So let's say BB. Currency USD, source currency is 00, exchange rate type is M, translation date will be posting date, save. It cannot be used for global currency. How strange. Okay. Okay. Currency types. Currency types Z1, new entries, BB, short description, BB, EG, USD, enter, save. Currency conversion settings, new entries, BVPG, currency type 30, currency USD 00. Let me just check this list just to make sure. Exchange rate type M, INR. Why is it taking INR? Should be taking INR. I want US. Global is not there. Currency types. Okay, 30 group currency. There is a document company called controlling area currency, controlling object currency. Only one has this currency, global currency, real time, and currency conversion setting. The BBPG. Let's delete that for a while. INR. This is already defaulted as INR every